What's up guys, my name is George and this is SaaS Master. Today we're going to check out FS Poster, which is a pretty awesome tool for WordPress. Now what FS Poster does is it's going to automate all the blogs that you write or that you have people writing for you, and it's going to auto post it to all your social media accounts that you have it connected to. So I think FS Poster is one of the most advanced tools because it has 12 social media accounts that you can connect to. Now this is our main site, but if you guys want to grab the deal, the link will be in the description. Now, like I said, what it does, it's going to automate everything for you. And that's what's so cool about this, because it saves times. And you know what time is? Time is money. So if you can auto post all this content to other social media accounts, it's going to save you time, it's going to save you money, and you're going to have way more reach than you would just by posting on WordPress. Now let's head on over to the dashboard of FS Poster, and I have it installed on one of my WordPress sites. And you can head on over here, which is sasm.co, which I have a whole bunch of deals that you can check out there. So go ahead and check out my site. All right, this is FS Poster, and these are the social media accounts that we can connect to. So there's a bunch of them. So for example, we can start off with Facebook, which is fan pages and groups. So you got both options. You got Twitter, you got Instagram, you got LinkedIn, VK, Pinterest, Reddit, Tumblr, OKRU, which is from Russia, Google My Business, that's a pretty awesome one, Telegram, and Medium. So you got all those social media accounts that you can connect to, and you have unlimited accounts that you can connect on your WordPress site. So if I have it connected here, I can connect the unlimited social media accounts that I want. So for example, I can connect 5 Facebook groups, 2 fan pages, 2 Instagram accounts, or just whatever I want with this one. So for example, the only thing I don't like about this one is, for example, Instagram, but I understand why. So for when you want to connect to Instagram, you got to connect through your account. So you got to put your account name and password, or you can use the cookie. But you can see right here, add account, you got 2 options. You can use login and pass and cookie method. I like the login and pass. I actually trust FS Poster with this because they don't save this to their account. This is saved on my WordPress site, so they don't have access to my login and password. So what it does, every time that it's going to post, it's going to log in and post the content for you. So that's what it does. On the rest of the social media accounts, you got direct connections. You just log in and give them permission to the API. So that's a pretty awesome tool, because I've seen other tools that you gotta like go and open a Facebook developer account and put in your API, and I mean that's a whole bunch of trouble just to auto post on those social media accounts. So right now all you have to do is log in and give them access. That's all. So that's pretty cool. All right, so you can connect to all of these, which I've done. And I'm just give you a quick example. So I got a Facebook fan page right here. Let me close this right here, and let me show you that it's posted. Now, if you guys want to follow me, that's SaaS Master. That's the name of my social media account. And these are auto-posted from my blog. This one's auto-posted, so I got the title and the link. I'm going to show you how you can customize that in a bit. So here's another one that I've posted. And if I head on over to a LinkedIn group that I created, so I can post right here. These are auto-posted also. You can see these right here. Those are auto-posted from my blog. So instead of logging into LinkedIn and posting it manually, that would do it automatically with FS Poster. Now, I didn't have a LinkedIn account to connect it to for this, so I had a LinkedIn account, but I didn't have a page to actually post it. But since I'm going to do it automatically and I don't have to do anything, well, I created one. That's so cool. That's what's cool about FS Poster. There's my Twitter account. You can see these right here. Also, check me out. It's SaaS Master. You can see this saasmaster.vid. And my Instagram account, I got these right here. So I got these auto posted. So I think it's cool that everything is auto posting with FS Poster. It saves me time, and I get to have content on all my social media accounts instead of just letting them be and waiting for about a month to post or every other week. This is doing it however I set it. So whenever I write a blog, it's going to auto post it. Or if I have an automated scraper, for example, for affiliate, then it's going to auto post that also. So I think it's pretty cool. Next thing we have is schedules. So if you want to schedule posts inside of WordPress, you can do it right here. Now, if you want to schedule one, let's see, add a schedule. You're going to be greeted with this. You can set the title, start date, the post every, one every hour, blah, 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 or random or schedule. You can do all that. You can check out the calendar, how the schedules are done. So right now I haven't scheduled because I don't use that function, but it's available. You can actually use it. There's the share one. So if I want to right now, if I want to post something on my social media accounts that doesn't have to do with my WordPress blogs, I can do it right here. I can schedule. So this would be kind of like a Hootsuite or the others. I don't remember the other ones, but it's like Hootsuite, right? But you have it right here, and you're not paying month to month. You just paid once, and you have it forever. You got the logs of what's been going on. So you got the logs right here. It's going to show you what's been okay. So you got success status. If you got an error in one of your social media accounts, you can see the error right there. And you go next and just see what's going on. And I like this one the most, which is the insights. I haven't seen other auto posters that give you this information. So you got all these shares. I've done 82 shares of my social media accounts. I got views from this month from those social media accounts. You got total accounts. You got total communities, and view this month's schedule. You can see share count, view count, and social network comparison. So you can see I've gotten the most out of Twitter, so people have seen it more on Twitter than my other social media accounts. The account comparison by views also, you got all that information right here. So that's pretty cool that you have that. Next thing, we got the apps. This is where you connect. Same thing we saw already. Here's one of my APIs already connected. And settings. So in settings is where you're going to set the information to. So you got the auto publish new post. You can turn this off or on. You can share the background. You can share post logs, timer communication, post interval. Do you want to do it on like instantly, or do you want to give it some time? So you can see right here, you got seconds, minutes, hours right there. So when it blogs, you can wait for minutes or hours for it to blog on the other social media accounts. General settings. General settings right here. Show FS Poster on column post table. You can set that off. Custom post types. For example, here you got pages, you got attachments, you got revisions. I removed all of them and I just left posts because I only want to share my post. I don't want to share when I create a page. I don't want to share that. So you can remove those or add them to whatever you like, right? You can hide the FS Poster 4. You can collect FS Poster statics, cron job settings. So if something's not working for you, you can set those right there. You got the URL settings right here, unique post, URL shortener. You can use URL shortener right here if you have one. I think it's like bit.ly, and let me see right here. Let me click on that. No, you got tiny URL and bit.ly. So you got those two options if you're using them. Share custom URL instead of WP post, additional URL parameters if you want to add those. And these are the settings for each individual social media account. So in this case, I clicked on Facebook settings, right? So I can load my pages, I can load on groups, maximum group load, and how do you want the post to actually look? So in this case, I'm only posting the title and the short link, but you have all these options to add. So you can add a custom, like a content, short content, full content, link, short link, featured image URL, all that information that you got right here, you can add it over here and it's gonna post it. In this case, we got a post type. So on Facebook, we have link and card view. So if it's had as a link, it's gonna post the image from that link. Or it can upload the featured image link, or it can upload all post images. So you have those options with each individual post right here. Now, the other cool thing I want to show you before we head on out is how we set this up. So for example, I have these social media accounts, but if I want to post in one of these, I have the option to activate each one individually. I can activate a condition or I can deactivate it. I want to show you what condition is. So activate a condition is, so for example, which category do I want to choose right here? So I'm going to choose lifetime deals. Do I want to post from here, or do not share from selected categories? So let's just say, and this is an example I'm using here on my site. I'm sharing all my posts except my video posts. So for example, video. So my SaaS videos, I'm not actually gonna share them. So I don't share these. I set a rule here for not to post these videos. So you have these options. So it's gonna post all my posts except the video once. Why am I doing this? Because on my Zapier account, I'm already sharing these directly. So I don't want to double post on my social media accounts. So that's the way you can set a rule. Now you have a whole bunch of ways that you can set these. So that's pretty cool. That's FS Poster. I think it's pretty awesome. If you guys want to grab it, the link will be in the description. Now, I thank you guys for watching. My name is George, and this is SaaS Master. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later.